I found! Wow, a train! Let's play! Woof, woof! Oops. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Oops. We made a giant recycling mess. Haha.
Whoa, look at this messy mountain of trash. How did this even happen? All right, let's tackle this beast together.
It was an accident, Mommy. Can we clean it up?
Every mess is a chance to learn something new. Let's sort this trash out.
Sort it out, Dad? How do we do that?
We are going to learn how to recycle at home today. Look, this box is for paper, and this one is for plastic. This small one is for glass. All right, time to organize these. First, the blue, then the yellow, and finally, the green. Perfect. The blue bin is for paper, the yellow bin is for plastic, and the green bin is for food waste.
Blue for paper, yellow for plastic, green for food.
Put on your helper gloves, Ben. Let's pick up the items one by one.
Do I have to? Helper Ben is on duty. Let's find some paper. Is this a paper box, Mom? Yes, that's a cardboard box. Okay.
Yes, Ben. Cardboard boxes and old notebooks go into the blue paper bin.
Into the blue box you go. An empty bottle. Whimper. What about this plastic bottle, Daddy?
Plastic bottles go into the yellow plastic bin, Lily.
Yay! In the yellow bin. Oops, a banana peel. I'll get that.
Banana peels, apple cores, and vegetable scraps go into the green bin for compost.
Okay.
Yeah, compost.
Hey, puppy. That's not a toy, that's food waste. Green bin for food waste. The earth will love it.
Exactly. Food waste turns into rich soil to help plants grow strong and green.
Look. The living room floor is completely clean again.
Great teamwork, everyone. But our recycling adventure doesn't stop here.
Looks like you're ready to add the roof.
Almost done, Dad.
Watch this.
That looks great, sweetie.
Before we throw them away, can we reuse them to make something fun?
Reuse? Like making a toy?
Yes, reusing is even better than recycling. Let's make a toy rocket ship.
A rocket ship! I want to paint it pink and purple. I am attaching the booster engines, Captain Dad. I'm making this box so beautiful. Look at that perfect stroke. time for a space adventure.
Perfect. Let's make this spaceship shine. Next, blue.
Look! Our recycled rocket ship looks amazing. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
All right, kids, let's get this packed.
We got the blue one in. I'll get the yellow one.
Careful, sweetie.
Almost done. Ready to go.
Now, let's take our sorted paper and plastic to the local recycling center.
Let's go. Okay, let's bring these inside.
Hello, young environmentalists. Welcome to the station.
Hello. We brought our sorted paper and plastic to recycle.
That is wonderful. Empty your paper boxes into the blue container, please.
Together. 1, 2, 3. Clatter, clatter, clatter. Done. Good job.
Thank you for keeping our planet clean. You are Earth heroes.
Wow. Thank you so much. We love cleaning the park.
And we appreciate your help very much.
Open it, open it! Look at that! It's flying! Wow, it's a drone! It's so cool! You can be an Earth hero too! Let's protect our planet together! Reduce, reuse, and recycle to protect our planet. Sort your trash into the right bins every day. Bye-bye.
Keep the earth clean and green.
See you next time. Goodbye.